water management solutions. I'm here to show you a light commercial project today. This is a system that's actually supplying the toilets and also supplying the laundry washing. It's at an extended stay hotel. It's in Blacksburg, Virginia. They're collecting around about 3,000 gallons. I think we added even more, so they're at about 5,000 gallons. The customer loved it so much. But I'm going to show you what's going on with the system today, kind of run through it real quick. If you take a look over here, this is the water coming in from the downspouts. That's what you'll see there. So we are in the garage of the facility, and the customer wanted to put these tanks down in the garage out of the way. He didn't really want to bury them. He wanted to be able to access them, but this is a really good setup because we can actually run the downspouts out through here, then run through our pre-filter and let it all fall to the tanks. So that's what you see here. That's this pipe going down here. It's going to our BZ vortex filter. This is the 150. This unit's getting all the debris from the roof out. It's a pre-screen, and that way you make sure the water quality inside the tank's pretty clean. If you actually go over here, this is the filtered water coming in. If you were to look down in the tank, you can see the water's fairly clean. This is our pump hanging down in there. And that's what it's going to look like. This system's been in operation for about 2 years now. And the customer loves it. It saves him a lot of money. And that's why he asked us to add some more tanks onto the project. So right now, clean water's going in. It enters a calming inlet. We pump the water back out. It goes into this filtration skid. So water's being pumped out through that pump into a sediment filter. It goes to a carbon filter, a UV light for disinfection, and then it goes back out through the pressure tank. This pressure tank's holding pressure in the line. It's just like a well. It has a pressure switch. It tells when the pump to cut on or off when pressure drops. The UV light is also making sure that any water passing through its size for about 30 gallons per minute is going to be hit with a dosage of light, which is going to deactivate bacteria. So this is perfect, and this is what you need when you're going into a building. If we ever run out of water, we have a backup system. That's what you see on here, on this wall. We have a float switch inside the tank that tells this valve to open up if we run low out of water. If we're completely out of water, then it's going to tell this valve to open and supply our main line going in with water. That way you never even see the switch over. You don't even know you ran out of water. It's a really good way. This is an RPZ. This is like a double backflow preventer is what they call that. This is typically mandatory whenever you hook up to a city line because that makes sure that you don't mix rainwater in with domestic water and contaminate domestic water is what they say. So this is a light commercial job. It's around 3,000, 5,000 gallons. It started as 3,000, went to 5,000 gallons. Again, the customer loved it so much, he wanted to add more volume onto it because it's saving him so much money. He's very proud of it. So hopefully we get to talk with him later on too about it.